Ganyan lang siya. Sabi nga, instant namin, tapos, because you're regular, like here. Next number 6. Sir Bartolome. I 2. Can you give examples where in cheating is done when it comes to trading? Una-una, when you don't have criteria, again. Regulation, not bias, no bias. For example, ito, kaibigan si teacher, ng teacher.
Map ng NPA.
Even if the client failed na, nagiging pass pa, no? What else? Give. Okay, what else?
Buko illegal.
Example, sa mga honor, ano din, no? Isang advisor, sa kanyang ang galing yung valedictorian, first honor. So, usually, pagka gusto nila mag-first, nagdag bawas, no? So, alam nyo ba sa election na meron nagdag bawas? So, change it, no? Okay, number 7.